Ever stare at your credit card bill and wonder where all that money went? Like, you know you budgeted, you know you used an app, but somehow, the numbers just aren't adding up? And then, that little question pops into your head, can I even connect my credit card to an app? And should I? Today, we're tackling a question that pops up in the in-app community all the time, credit cards and your budget. It's a topic that can feel a bit daunting, especially when you're just starting out. But don't worry, we're going to break it down, step by step. Now, let's get straight to the point. Yes, you absolutely can connect your credit card to an app. In fact, it's one of the core features that helps you get a clear picture of your spending. YNAB allows you to link your credit card accounts, just like your checking and savings accounts. This means transactions automatically import, saving you the hassle of manually entering every single purchase. Here's how it works. You connect your card, YNAB pulls in your transactions, and then you categorize them. Just like any other transaction. This is crucial because it allows you to see exactly where your credit card spending is going. Are you overspending on dining out? Are those impulse Amazon purchases adding up? YNAB will show you. But here's the crucial part, and this is where a lot of people get tripped up. Using a credit card in YNAB isn't about borrowing money. It's about using it as a payment method and treating it like a debit card. Think of it this way, you only spend money you already have in your budget. When you make a purchase on your credit card, YNAB automatically moves the money from your spending category, like groceries or entertainment, to your credit card payments category. This ensures that you have the funds set aside to pay off your balance in full. This is the magic of YNAB with credit cards. It forces you to be intentional about your spending and prevents you from racking up debt. By allocating money to your credit card payments, you're essentially pre-funding your spending, even if you're using a credit card to make the purchase. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but what if I already have credit card debt? That's okay. YNAB can help you tackle that too. You can create a budget category specifically for your credit card debt and allocate money each month to pay it down. The key is to be consistent and to stick to your budget. The biggest benefit of using YNAB with your credit card is clarity. You'll always know exactly how much you owe, how much you've budgeted, and where your money is going. It removes the guesswork and helps you stay in control of your finances. So, should you connect your credit card to YNAB? Absolutely. It's a powerful tool that, when used correctly, can help you achieve financial peace of mind. Just remember the golden rule, only spend money you already have in your budget. Treat your credit card like a debit card, and you'll be well on your way to mastering your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.